are on our way to see Train. We are so excited because it's such a beautiful night, a beautiful summer night.
I've been high, I've been low, I've been west and I've been knocking on Mexico, St. San Francisco.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, I think you can see that we are back in the South. You don't see any palm trees back here. Those are just the regular southern oaks and whatever, but we are back, and I think you probably already noticed that we have been to a concert. We went to see Train. We gathered up some friends and enjoyed such a beautiful evening, and it was such a fun concert. And then now, since we're back, we have to restock. So because when we leave, we don't leave much in the refrigerator or the pantry, so I get out and do some shopping, and that's perfectly fine with me. So I'm going to take you along with me, and this video will be about little things, everyday things that I do during the week, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm getting ready to go into HomeGoods because a friend of mine told me they have a few things that I like, and I have a passion for cocktail napkins, which seems a little bit ridiculous, but I do use them. So anytime I can find some cute ones, I go for them. So I'm going to run in HomeGoods, and then I will probably go to Target, but come along with me. I hope you enjoy my week. Well, that was a little bit productive, not great. You know, HomeGoods is a kind of like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It's kind of hit or miss. You never know what you're going to find. But I found one package of napkins, not napkins, cocktail napkins that I like. They didn't even have two, but I thought they were cute enough to buy one. They're great for Florida. I thought they were just the right thing. And then I got something I did not go in for, and that's olives. But I always enjoy wandering through the store. You honestly never know what you're going to find. And they have some really good name brand things at good prices, but it's things that I would not generally be out shopping for, but I may run across something and can't live without it after I've seen it. So I'm always picking up something cute there. Well, no, it is not a new car. I've had this car for quite a while, and it's a BMW Z4 hardtop convertible, and I just love it. It's the most fun car I've ever had. We leave it in the South, and when we are back, I love getting it out of the garage and driving it because I can put the top down and it's just fun. But today we're going to leave the top up because it's just a little too warm, and we are on our way to go and shop for a cocktail dress. I really need something for an event, and I have a couple of black cocktail dresses, and I'm trying to avoid black because I tend to lean toward wearing a lot of black. I'm going to look at something more colorful and hopefully find something, but I don't really know what I'm looking for. I'm just going to go in with an open mind, and hopefully, that was a speed bump, hopefully we'll find something really cute. So we're going to try on a few things and see if I have any luck. On my way to get my nails done. I hate it when I break a nail. This color is OPI's Lisbon. I'll put the information for it below. I just love going to the farmer's market, and today was a little bit crowded, and it's a weekday, so I guess everybody's getting ready for the weekend. But I did find some really great looking tomatoes, and one of my favorites is okra, and I got the large ones to put on the grill because I like to get those really crunchy. But I also got some smaller ones because I think I might try to roast them in the oven, and I think that I'm going to try the smaller ones first before I dive into putting large ones in the oven and roasting those. Then I found some delicious peaches. Can't wait for that. But the main reason I came to the farmer's market and put up with the crowds and the heat is lady peas, and I bought 4 pounds of lady peas, and I'll put those up because they're so great for dinner parties. If you want a side dish, they just look a little more elegant on the plate, and I guess that's why they call them lady peas, and they are delicious. It's Friday and we've gotten a lot accomplished. I didn't get to take you every place with me, but I did take you to the farmer's market, and I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the lady peas. This is the lady pea, and this is the black-eyed pea, and I'm going to take a close-up of this and show you the difference in size. If you have lady peas in your area, give them a try. They're really delicious. I'm not sure in which regions they are actually grown. I do know we have them in the south, but try to find them because it's really worth the effort. Another thing that I found, and that was at Target, and I didn't take you to Target because we've all been to a Target, but this was a super Target with a grocery, and they have an item that I have been looking for a long time. I've only been able to find them in Europe, but now I think they've come to the United States, and Target has them, and that is Stroop waffles. You may have a glare on this, so I'm going to take a picture of this as well so you'll have an idea. They're on the top shelf in the cookie aisle. These waffles, which actually they're a cookie, they are really sweet. They have caramel in the center, and you take one of these cookies and you place it on top of either a cup of hot tea or a cup of coffee and let that caramel melt, and they're so delicious. You're going to thank me for that idea later. And I wanted to ask you that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to be a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. And follow me on Instagram. Bye.